If you're seeing Outlook error 503, don't panic. This usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, and in most cases, it's caused by server overload, maintenance on Microsoft's side, or a short-lived connection issue. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it so you can get back into Outlook as fast as possible. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, the quickest thing to try is a simple refresh. If Outlook is open in your browser, press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes error 503 appears because the page failed to load properly, and a refresh is all it takes to reconnect. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to open Outlook in an Incognito or InPrivate window. In Chrome, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and. In Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N as well. This opens a clean browsing session without using your existing cookies, cache, or saved session data. Then go back to Outlook and sign in again. If the issue was caused by a browser session problem, this often fixes it immediately. If you still see the error, the next fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, old cached files can conflict with Outlook and trigger loading problems. In your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, then clear cached images and files, and clear cookies if needed. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Outlook again. This gives you a fresh start with no corrupted browser data in the way. Now, one very important thing to understand is that Outlook error 503 is often not caused by your device at all. If Microsoft servers are temporarily overloaded or undergoing maintenance, the error may go away on its own in about 10 to 15 minutes. So if none of the quick fixes work right away, wait a few minutes and try again later. If you want to be extra safe, you can also check whether the issue is happening on multiple devices or just one browser. Try opening Outlook on another browser or even on your phone. If it works elsewhere, the problem is likely local to your browser or cache. If it fails everywhere, that's a stronger sign that Microsoft is having a temporary service issue. So to recap, the fastest fixes for Outlook error 503 are: refresh the page, try an Incognito or InPrivate window, and clear your browser cache and cookies. And if the problem is on Microsoft's side, waiting 10 to 15 minutes is often enough for it to resolve itself. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.